We would like to inform the faithful and the general public that the installation of Most Reverend Raphael P'Mony Wokorach and the imposition of the pallium on him will take place at St. Joseph's Cathedral on Friday, the 12th July 2024, starting with the Holy Mass at 9:30 or even 10 a.m.
We are planning to receive about 5,000 people for that day, and that's a big number, too big for the cathedral sitting capacity. But I would like the media to let people know that this function, the installation of an archbishop, takes place inside the church, not outside, because the chair on which he is installed is inside the cathedral and we don't bring it outside.
And there are 6 black crosses on this white band.